Sawadika, welcome to Pakinaka Thai Cooking School in Khao Lak. My name is Wandi Ratanapan. I'll be your cook instructor today. I am going to show you how to make a traditional curry named Chee curry. This Chee curry is a curry that we highlight on the seafood, especially fish, prawn, or squid. And also, if you in the past, Thailand, we also use kind of river fish in this kind of curry. Let's see what the ingredient inside Chee curry. Today I get fresh barramundi or seabed from the market, and we're going to use barramundi as a base for the curry. Fresh coconut milk is a must in this curry. Yeah. Okay. So this is the fresh ingredient to make curry paste. So the curry paste needs galanka, 3 slices of galanka, 1 lemongrass, 1 red onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and we need turmeric to make the color more beautiful, as well as we need a little bit of the coffee lime skin to make aromatic. Yeah. And also very important ingredient, you need big spur chili. This kind of chili are very mild, not spicy. We remove all the seed out, and we need 2 spicy chili. It's a medium spicy chili. It's not the most spicy chili, so it's not gonna be too spicy for you. All of this chili, we are going to boil it in the hot water first. And another part for garnish is coffee lime and spur chili. We use the fresh one for garnish. And the sauce that we need is fish sauce, salt, and coconut sugar. Okay, now we are going to start making curry paste. Okay, for the lemongrass, you need to cut out this bud and throw it away. And the other part, take it out, throw away. The rest you just cut. Okay, for galanka, we must select the older galanka, because the older galanka, they have a stronger taste, and the taste a lot better when they are stronger. Yeah. Okay, so for garlic, you just chop them finely. Yeah, as fine as possible. It depends how you're gonna make it. Yeah. And the red onion the same way with garlic. Okay, for the chili, the best way is just to boil them after you soak it in the room temperature, because to boil them you're gonna get a very beautiful color, the red color from the curry paste. Yeah. After we boil the chili, then we are going to cut them. That is a little bit temperature a little bit down first, otherwise it's too hot in your hand. And this is all the ingredient for the curry paste. Don't forget to put peppercorn, coriander seeds, and cumin seed as well. If you don't have cumin seed, use the cumin powder. So everything in the blender or mortar and pestle, you have the way that you like. But in your real life, in Europe or in another country, you are quite busy. So we are going to show you to make the curry paste in the blender. Usually what you do, you can also dilute with a little bit of water. Yeah, but in this case I'm going to put some of coconut milk in to make it easy for you to blend. So yeah, okay, so now we are going to put into the blender, put in the lock, and now the curry paste are going ready to be blended. Okay, for the kaffir lamb leaf, we are going to put them on top of each other and roll them up and cut them fine, very fine. For the fresh spur chili, you have to remove the seeds away, and then just cut them fine, stripe them like this. Stripe them as fine as possible. Okay. I already heat up the non-stick pan in order to pan fry the barramundi. Okay. For sushi curry, we have two recipes that you can follow. The first recipe that you just put the fresh fish into the curry paste and coconut milk straight away. And for the second recipe is to pan fry your fish to make it a little crispy. My way, I love every fish crispy. So that's why I will pan fry until it cooked, and then going to put the curry paste that mixed with the coconut on the top. For the sushi curry, quite different from the other curry in terms of we don't need to cook the curry paste into the oil first, but we are going to heat up and cook the coconut cream for a while until the fat of the coconut cream separate. Once the coconut cream separate to become the oil, now we slowly put the curry paste in and mix together. Okay, so now we are going to put the prawn paste in and mix with the curry paste together with fish sauce and coconut sugar. If you don't like too sweet, then no need to put all. If you like sweet, you just put all. But everything just have to mix together. And the last thing is salt. If you like more salty, add more salt. But fish sauce is already made the curry salty. So you can see the texture now is ready. And what we're gonna do, we are going to pour on the top of the fish. Okay. So we going to pour all the sauce on the top, and that's why we call sushi, because there is a sound once you pour the sauce on the top, like that is the name of the curry come from, like sushi, like that. And what you're gonna do after this, you just need to garnish with kaffir lamb that you already cut finely chopped, and also the chili, You can put as much as you like, and you also can eat this kaffir lamb as well. And we are going to serve with steamed rice. And here is the Chee curry from Chef Wendy from Thai Pakinaka Cooking School. Okay, so now I'm going to have Chee curry with rice, and traditional Southern way. We're gonna make everything more appetizing by eating rice and curry with fresh vegetable. And this fresh vegetable, this is the leaf, and also this is the baby eggplant, small eggplant. You can also have it with rice and curry, and as well as the bamboo shoot. This one already boiled, so we're gonna enjoy this in the rainy day. This recipe from my mom. My mom always cook this in the rainy day to heat your body up and to make it very yummy.